Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can overlay this green screen curtain effect on top of your videos in CapCut PC. I'm just going to go to scenery and I'll just add a video real quick. For instance, this one, I'll actually select this one. Go to green screen and hopefully you can find it. It is this one right here and add it on top. You can't really adjust the duration though. Maybe you can make it a little bit slow motion if you'd like it to be a little bit slower. But go to the green screen part, go to cutout and select the chroma key section. Select the color picker and select the green area here. Then you can adjust the strength a little bit and maybe add in a little bit of shadow, but not too much. Just adjust it with the video like so. And that is pretty much it, really. It is that simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. They also have it in this like backward motion if you want to add that. And that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.